Welcome to Anthem, where we help you make informed decisions about your home's comfort and efficiency. Today, we're diving into an important topic for residents of the Coachella Valley, AC replacement. With the scorching desert heat, having a reliable air conditioning system is crucial. But how do you know if it's time to replace your AC, and is it really worth the investment? First, let's talk about some signs that indicate it might be time to consider replacing your AC unit. If your system is more than 10 to 15 years old, it might be nearing the end of its lifespan. Older units tend to lose efficiency and struggle to keep up with the demands of cooling your home. Frequent breakdowns and rising energy bills are also red flags. If you find yourself calling for repairs more often than not, or if your electricity bills have skyrocketed despite no changes in usage, it could be time for an upgrade. Now let's explore the benefits of investing in a new AC system, especially in the desert climate of Coachella Valley. Modern air conditioning units are designed with energy efficiency in mind. This means they use less electricity to cool your home, which can lead to significant savings on your monthly energy bills. Look for units with high SEER ratings, as these models are built to deliver maximum efficiency. Plus, many new AC units come with advanced technology like smart thermostats, allowing you to control your home's climate with ease. Another key benefit is enhanced comfort. Newer systems are equipped with features that ensure consistent temperature control throughout your home, eliminating those hot and cold spots. This is particularly important in desert areas where the outside temperature can vary drastically from day to night. By maintaining a stable indoor climate, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment year-round. Replacing your AC unit can also reduce your environmental impact. Energy-efficient systems consume less power, which helps lower your carbon footprint. Additionally, upgrading to an Energy Star-rated unit supports sustainable living and contributes to a greener future. Not only will you be saving money, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment. So how do you determine if an AC replacement is the right choice for you? Start by weighing the cost of frequent repairs against the price of a new unit. While the initial investment might seem high, the long-term savings on repairs and energy bills can make it worthwhile. Don't forget to check for available rebates or incentives for installing energy-efficient systems. Many utility companies offer programs to help offset the cost, making it even more affordable to upgrade. In conclusion, investing in a new AC system can be a wise decision for homeowners in Coachella Valley. By evaluating the age and efficiency of your current unit, you can make an informed choice that enhances your comfort and saves you money. If you're ready to explore your options, our team at Anthem is here to help. Contact us for a free consultation and let us guide you through the process of choosing the perfect AC system for your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on keeping your home comfortable and efficient.